Hello, and welcome to Getting Going with Azure with Datagriff. And today we're going to be looking at Azure resource locks to protect our really important resources that we've got in Azure. So what I've got is a resource group called MySARG, and in it is a storage account. If you want to know how to set up a storage account in Azure, please see my other video on creating a storage account. Right, let's have a look at what we've got in this particular storage account. So we're going to drill into it by clicking. We're going to go to containers, we'll look at my container. And in this storage account, we can see we've got precious data. That sounds really important. So if we click on this data, we can see if we edit the file, this is clearly mega important stuff. So we don't want to lose this. And so one thing we can do is navigate back up to our resource group and put a lock on this resource group to ensure that it doesn't get deleted. Now this is at a very high level on the resources, but it does prevent it from being removed. Anyway, let's click on locks. And we're going to add, and we're going to call this delete lock. And we're going to click lock type. We're going to say delete. We're going to click OK. Now we go back to the overview of our resource group. And then we're going to delete our resource group. And if we copy the name, paste that in there, click delete. And we can see the delete resource group MySARG has failed because there's a lock on there. Also, if we go into our storage account and go to containers, and if we click the ellipses and click delete, click OK, and it fails to delete that because the scope is locked. If we go back up to our storage account, click locks, and then if we deleted this lock, and then we go back to overview, we go into our storage account, we click containers, and remember now, this contains our precious data. Go to the storage account, click the ellipses, delete, click OK, and our precious data is gone. So it's really important to put locks on things, particularly on production data. So it's a very powerful tool, and I hope you're aware of it now. And I hope to see you next time on Getting Going with Azure with Datagriff. Thanks.